Merry Christmas, I'm Cassie from BBC Good Food and I'm going to show you my favourite recipe for Boxing Day for using up all your leftovers. So I'm going to make some really simple turkey bubble and squeak cakes. So I've got some leftover roast potatoes, loads of leftover sprouts, which everybody has, and some shredded turkey. I'm going to just whiz everything up. So potatoes, and next I'm going to add a handful of sprouts. Now I'm going to go in with a handful of turkey. Now this is all a bit dry at the moment, so I'm just going to add a drizzle of beaten egg and a bit of salt and pepper. Now I'm going to add a blob of gooey cheese to the middle of each of these. I've got some leftover brie here, but you could use camembert or some gruyere, anything which is going to melt really well. Make sure it's completely encased in the middle. Your cakes need to chill for about 20 minutes, half an hour just to firm up. So you need a good drizzle of oil in the pan. So I'm just going to cook these for a couple of minutes on each side until they're nice and crispy and hot through. And if you've got any leftover cranberry sauce, this will go perfectly. So there's my delicious turkey bubble and squeak cakes, perfect for Boxing Day. I hope you enjoy.